In front of me is Motorola Razr 60, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. All you need to do is launch settings and scroll to click on this section called security and privacy. Then scroll again to choose the face unlock, and from here select face and fingerprint. Enter your current screen lock to continue. Choose face unlock. Hit setup, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen after hitting next. Then choose done. Go back and check it out. As you can see, face unlock on my Motorola is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to unlock it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!